How to create a survey in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your Monday.com workspace and create a new board. Name it something relevant like Customer Feedback or Employee Survey. 2. Click on Add Column and select Form View. This will allow you to design a survey directly from your Monday.com board. 3. Add different question types such as multiple choice, text fields, or drop-downs based on the kind of feedback you need. 4. Customize the form by adding a title, description, and branding elements to make it look professional. Click Share Form and generate a public link. This allows you to distribute the survey via email, social media, or embedding it on a website. 6. As responses come in, they will automatically populate your Monday.com board, allowing you to track and analyze responses in real time. 7. Use Monday.com's automation to trigger actions based on responses, like sending a thank you email or notifying your team about new feedback.